channel. My name is Katherine and this has just been Katherine. If you're new here, I share easy DIYs, home decor on a budget, and every now and then I love to share encouraging messages. And in this video, we are going to finally be decorating for Christmas. I love all things Christmas. I am like that person, y'all, who loves to sing all the songs and I don't know the words. I love to drink eggnog, as I'm drinking right now. I have so many Christmas mugs, as y'all have seen over on my Instagram channel. I just love Christmas. It really is like the most magical time of the year. So we are gonna be decorating our apartment. I am so excited. I have my two-piece PJs on right now. So I'm just really excited. I'm getting all into the mindset and the mood. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And if you have not already, hit that subscribe button and that notification bell. And we are gonna start decorating for Christmas. We are gonna first start removing all of the fall decor. Last year, this is where we had our Christmas tree and decorations. This year, my husband worked from home and needed an office space of his own. We decided to put it in this area. So instead, we're gonna use the other side of our sunroom to decorate. It's a little bit smaller of a space, but I think we can make it work. It's so funny how much my style has changed in the past 2 years. I used to be farmhouse rustic, all the traditional red and green, which I still love, but I have definitely transitioned over to more colorful Christmas. So you guys seen quite a bit of my decor over on Instagram, but since the last time I did a haul, I picked up some Bristol trees. I got them to kind of make an assortment of trees. Now that we have a TV console, we actually have some where we can lay out and display Christmas decor. Believe it or not, but this is my only bin of Christmas stuff. I laid all of our Christmas decorations out. These are the black Nutcrackers I always get asked about. They're from Target. I'm gonna link them down below because they came back this year, which I'm very, very happy about. Then our stockings. And there's one for me, my dog, and my husband. And then we have larger stockings. And then we have some dish towels back there, some photos. This is from my mother-in-law. It actually lights up and then the snow swirls on the inside. This is our huge storage bag that I put my Christmas pillows and blankets in. And we've had it in there for a year, but basically how it works is that once you put everything in there, remove the seal and then apply a vacuum and suck all the air out of it. And you are able to store it. And this is great if you have a small space and you need extra storage, or you just need somewhere to put your pillows and blankets. They're still fluffy. They don't have a weird smell to them either. So I like having them in this storage bag where they're safe, they're not getting dusty, they're not getting damaged. So this is our white 6.5 foot tree that already comes with these beautiful colorful lights. My mom had a white tree and so I wanted one and it was only $40, y'all. I really love it. However, some of the tinsels are turning a little bit yellow from having it for so long, but it's just hard to depart from it. And you will see, like when we decorate it, we just literally add personalized ornaments to it. Part lighting the tree. So we don't have a tree skirt. We just haven't found one that is like we have to have it. So I made a makeshift one. It's super easy. I actually did this last year for Christmas. I just take these throws. Y'all have seen them so many times. They're just little these faux fur throws. I take these same ones. I have 3 of them and I'm gonna put them underneath the tree and make our own tree skirt. So I'm basically gonna put it in a circle and adjust it and fluff it up. Almost acts as a tree skirt slash snow. So in our apartment, we don't have a mantle and we don't have any shelving but our bookshelf. But this is where we put our Christmas trees, on this side of the sunroom. And there's no shelving over here, no mantle for us to hang our stockings. So I have came up with a really good idea to hang our stocking. And honestly, I love it. I did this last year as well. It's very organic and it's pretty cool. So if you have some branches or if you have decorative branches, you can put them on the wall with command hooks and then make sure that they're secure, because you will be putting things in those stockings, I think. And if you're not, you don't have to worry about this part, but we are planning on putting gifts inside of our stockings. So we want to make sure that it's secure. So we have command hooks that are like 2 pounds each, and we're just going to add them to the wall, place the stick on there, and then hang our stockings. And it's gonna be super cute. And we don't plan on taking them down anytime soon, so it's mainly for decorative purposes. And then when we start adding our gifts to them, we probably aren't gonna take them down until the day of Christmas, and that will be fine. But this is mainly if you aren't planning on taking your stocking up and down and up and down. So this idea is great for that. So my idea for the console is to do something really fun, which is just add some faux snow. I have the highlight blanket cover. It has glitter in it. Oh yeah, so there's iridescent highlights included in the snow blanket for a more dramatic and glittery effect. So you actually can see it. You see the glitter and you see the iridescent. Like, I'm so excited about this. I've never used a snow blanket, but I thought it'd be so cool to have the top of this console just be filled with faux snow, and then maybe build like a little village and just have Christmas decor up there. So I don't have any idea where I'm going with this, but I'm excited to see what I can come up with. I like this one a lot because it's cohesive, it's very festive, but it doesn't go with the style that I had in mind, which was very Whoville, teal, light pinks, red, bright, bubbly, and fun. It's Scandinavian, very traditional, and nothing's wrong with it, but it looks like a pretty design. It's just not the design I am currently wanting to go with. But I want to know if you guys like this one better or if you're gonna like the other one better. But you guys let me know down below. So now that we have our extravaganza back here, our little tree forest, I am going to be adding different types of garlands. And I love this part because I get a chance to layer them. I got a new one that is a countdown garland, and I just think it's so cute, and it will look really great with the garlands that I got last year, which was a pom-pom. I think all together it's just gonna be really festive. And now I just have to add the last set of twinkle lights. I mean, you can never have too many, right? So I'm in our kitchen now, and I'm just gonna be decorating the counters. I love to make tea. I'm gonna make a little station over here with just the essentials and keep it at that, just because our counter already has so much on it. I have the cutest jar. It has like peppermint or candy canes on it in the shape of a heart. So I thought it'd be nice to put my tea inside of here. I want it to be decorative and cute, but at the same time functional, since I do use it daily. Already have a garland up here, and I've had this one up here since spring, and I really like it, so I'm going to keep it there, but I think I'm going to add to it. I have 2 more greenery garlands, and they're different than that one. I'm going to use this, and I really like the idea of having the garland all cascading down on one side. Okay, well, that was a quick no. So now for the fun part, we're gonna be decorating the bookshelf, and usually I'll do a voiceover and tell you 1, 2, 3 how to do it, but I have a couple of people who rather show you themselves. So without further ado, I'll let them take over. Our ornaments to show you guys. They're very sentimental, personal. This one here is like our first Christmas. Love photography, and our initial, super cute with like pom-poms on there. And then we got this one, we got engaged. We got him from Cracker Barrel. Love even how glittery and sparkly he is. Both love to travel. We went home for Christmas last year, so it was only right to add this to our tree. This is from our trip to Chicago last Christmas. My husband loves Games of Thrones. A s'more ornament because we love s'mores. A hot chocolate ornament. And you guys saw these over my Instagram, but these colorful popsicles, they're so fun. And then these black ballerinas. One of my favorite movies is the Polar Express, and last year we actually went on the Polar Express ride in Chicago, and they gave us these bells because if you know the story behind it. So this is a gift that we received at the end of the ride, and we brought it back with us, and now we add it to our collection of ornaments. So it's amazing. that's all for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I had so much fun putting it together. I'm glad that we finally got our Christmas decorations up. It makes us so happy. I hope you were encouraged, and I hope you guys have an amazing holiday season. Don't forget to follow me over on Instagram for more holiday inspirations, DIYs, and just me and my Instagram stories. Merry Christmas, and as always, I will talk to you all later.